second largest ever Williamson County home sale closes on Pristine Legacy Estate. A pristine, legacy estate known as Eagles Rest Farm in Thompson Station near Franklin has been sold to an undisclosed buyer, following years of discussions about redeveloping the site with hundreds of homes and a golf course. The 686-acre, mostly undeveloped property attracted the second highest ever price tag for a residential property in Williamson County, according to a joint news release from representatives of the buyer and seller. The farm, initially priced at $30 million, sold for $26.7 million, according to the property deed filed on October 17. The buyer, a company called Iron Triangle Farm LLC, lists its address as a post office box at a UPS store in Pennsylvania. The largest recorded Williamson County home sale took place in 2010 when country music star Alan Jackson sold his 135-acre Sweetbriar estate in Franklin to tech entrepreneur Willis Johnson for $28 million. Developers' property, talks go quiet. Eagles Rest features a classically designed, 21,000-square-foot home, 15-acre lake, horse barn, pool and picnic pavilion, among other buildings. "It's a legacy property for sure," said Jamie Spencer, owner of Mossy Oak Properties, the company that represented the seller. "There's not really a whole lot of properties like this available anymore. It is manicured to the nth degree. It kinda takes your breath away. It's that pristine." Jeremy Hall, with Mossy Oak Properties, represented the sellers, and Dan McEwen, owner of Columbia-based McEwen Group, represented the buyers in the deal. Businessman Gary Baker and his wife Portia, longtime owners of the property situated at 1350 King Lane, have planned to sell it to Houston-based Beacon Land Development for years. The company was working with town leaders to entitle the land to build a golf course designed by Tiger Woods and at least 1,500 homes. Last year, Beacon won initial rezoning approvals contingent on a series of community benefits improvements, including a major investment in sewer infrastructure, development of 2 schools, and other requirements such as incorporating a large amount of green space. But talks went quiet after that and plans appeared to have stalled. "Our town is working really hard to not get run over by development," said Mayor Corey Napier. "We're in the fastest growing corridor in Williamson County with easy access to amenities of Greater Nashville. It's pretty easy to understand the calculus people are doing when they're looking to settle in this part of the world. They're clamoring for a piece of the dream."